Students, here the question is, check whether 9 is the factor of 4186 or not. Here we have to check this number is a factor of 9 or not. So if this type of the question is given, then we have to do by the long division method. Yes. So if it is, how can we say that this number is factor of another number? When if that number is divided by this and without remainder. Yes, divide without remainder, that means we get the remainder 0. That time we say that this number is factor of this number, next number. Okay. So for particular, here the question is given 9. So let me see let us check this 9 and this number is 4186. Now we are doing here the long division method. 9. Now here the first is 4. It is the smaller than divisor. So we will put here 0. Then we take here the 1. So 41, now it is larger than divisor. So 9. Here 9 table, 9 4s are 36. 9 4s are 36. Now 41, so 5 will remain. Here 8. 4 will remain. Here we will take 6. Now 9 6 are 54 and 9 5s are 45. So 9 5s are 45. We subtract, then 1 remains. When we divide this number by 9, so we get here the 1 remain. Yes, and our quotient is 465. But here we can say that 9 is not the factor of this number. Yes. So after this question you learn this, the divisible by, then after also applying this we can easily understand, because on the ones place 6 is given. But sometimes in the question it is asked that whether you check this, it is a 9 or whatever the first number here it is given that it is a divisible by for the second number. So that time you have to show the long division method and give the reason that it is a given the remain number is 1. So we can say that 9 is not factor. 9 is not the factor of this number. Or another way also we can say that 9 is not divisible. This number is not divisible by 9. Okay. And sometimes in the question it is also asked that explain the rule why it is divisible by 9 or which number. That time you explain for the rule. But here it is asked for the long division method. So we show that, and here 1 is remain. So we can say that this number is not 9 is not the factor for this number. Okay. Now see the next question. Find the lowest common multiple. Here it is asked to find the lowest common multiple. Here the lowest common multiple, we do this multiple for 3. So we start from that number itself 3. Then now you go through this multiplication, that table of 3. 3 2s are 6. 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30, 33 and go on. 33 also. So it's endless. So we are not putting full stop here. Here 9. Now the common that 9 multiple is 9 table. First we write here the 9. here 9, 9, here it is going on. So 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99. This way it is goes on. We put here dash dash dash. Now here if the question is asked, tell the common factor. Yes, here the common, it is asked here the lowest common factor. But say for example the common factor, then we will write here the common factor. Here we see the 9. First add and circle here for the common factor. Okay. Now here 18, 27 also. Yes. Now 36. Here also can come 36. So 12 3s are 36. Now this goes on, but the initially we can see that the common factors, common multiples are here for the 3 and 9s are 9, 18, 27 and 36. Okay, but here the question is asked for the lowest common multiples. So lowest common multiples is only one. That lowest number is 9. Yes, for the common for the both number 3 and 9. So this is 9 is the, for this answer we can say that 9 is lowest common multiple. That in short we say the LCM. Yes, 9 is lowest common multiple of 3 and 9. So students, this way you do more and more practice, so you will be find easily, and the question also can twist question also can ask.